You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words, including from French and cooking terms. There are many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In English it is said as omelette, omelette. Now for reference in French, since it comes from French, it is said as omelette, omelette. But in English, omelette. And now, you know, like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it, at least it helps me a lot. And more videos here on how to pronounce more interesting vocabulary that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.